Wala. Stop putting your thing. Stop doing that. Come on, man. Don't do that. Don't do that. Adriel, come on. Chris. Come on, Chris. Are you a boy? Or are you a girl? What are you? A boy or a girl? Are you a boy or are you a girl? Are you a boy or are you a girl? Answer me. Are you a girl? Okay, let's post this to the YouTube.